Okay, we are going to make a Valentine project using positive and negative space. Your name should be on the back of the white paper along with your class code. Your red or pink paper is going to go in a diamond shape in the middle. However, you don't want to start by gluing it down. The first thing that you want to do when we get started is you want to use your pencil and you are going to draw a half of a heart on one of the straight edges. You are going to want to make each heart a little bit different, and we're drawing it out just so we know where we're drawing. Now I'm going to draw one heart, and then I'm going to draw another heart inside of there. I'm going to come over here, and I'm going to do the same thing. In this heart, I'm going to try and make a little bit different size. I'm going to make this one a skinny, long one. I'm going to put one over here, make this one really big, with a much skinnier heart inside. Right here, I have enough room for a small one. So I have a heart and a smaller heart on each of the sides. Now I'm going to start to cut it apart, but this is an important step. These are going to be like pieces of a puzzle, and you don't want to get your puzzle pieces mixed up. You want to keep them sort of in the right place. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut out my bigger heart. And then I'm going to cut out my smaller heart. Okay. Now, this should be up here. This part is going to flip over and it matches perfectly right there. And then this part will flip to the opposite direction and match right there. So you see how that makes a pattern there of opposite, positive, and negative space? Now I'm going to leave those right there because I don't want to get them mixed up with any of my other pieces. I'm going to go to my next one. Cut it out. Cut out my smaller one. And I'm going to go ahead and lay it back to where it should be. So this one's going to go right here. This one's going to go in here. Okay. Now you don't have to do one on each side, but you need to do at least 2 hearts, and you can do up to 4 hearts. 2 is the minimum, 4 is the maximum. I'll show you what it looks like though when you do all of them. Now if you don't want to draw your hearts out first, you can just go ahead and cut it if you feel comfortable. And if you want to take some time to erase the pencil lines, I think that would be helpful too. So I know this one matches up here, this one matches here. This one would get glued right here. And this one will get glued. All right? That one looks a little off, doesn't it? Oh. It's backwards. There we go. Now we're right. So, like I said, like pieces of a puzzle, if you get confused, ask someone around you to give you a little bit of help. Now I have these two, and I know they're going to go up here. There we go. Nope. There we go.
Our new interaction, this is Triplet. Could you please report to the nurse's station? Thank you.
Okay. Now you have everything laid just about where it should go. The first thing that you want to do is take your middle piece, and I'm just going to move these back out of the way, but in the right places. Take my middle piece, and I'm going to put glue on the back of it. Make sure you put it on the right way. And make sure you don't rip this because parts of it are going to be very skinny. This is called a notan design. Everybody say notan?
Notan.
Okay, I'm going to try my best to get it right in the center here. Press this down. And then I can go and put glue on all of these pieces. Like this. And like this. So I will glue, 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 glue. And then you have this really cool design. If you get finished and you have time, you may get a Sharpie and you may write a small poem in here about love or something in Valentine's Day. And something that I like to do is make a rhyming poem like A, B, A, B. So I might say, love is happy. Then I'm going to say, give a hug. So I have to now rhyme happy down here. Love is happy, give a hug. What rhymes with happy? Snappy. Make it snappy. Love is happy, give a hug, make it snappy. What rhymes with hug?
Rug. Give somebody a rug.
Love is happy, give a hug, make it snappy. In a coffee
Mug.
Yeah, because coffee makes me happy. Now, if you don't have time to write a poem, that's okay. But if you have time to write a poem, you can write a short little poem about something that has to do with love. Capiche?